This is the Nikon F301, a very overlooked Nikon camera dating from 1986. Perhaps one of the reasons it's overlooked is that it had a sibling, the F501, which was massively more successful. The F501 had autofocus, and this camera still has manual focus. What it does have though is auto-wide. A fairly reasonable lick. It's powered by 4 AAA batteries which go in the base here. I'll remove this bit here, which is why the tripod mount is in such an odd place. So this is an aperture priority single lens reflex camera. When I put the shutter speed dial on A, you'll notice that the mad beeping noise disappeared when I moved it from there to there. So this switch turns off the beeping noise. I select the aperture on this ring here. The camera selects the shutter speed that matches. Other than that, I can put the camera on full manual, where I select the shutter speed and I select the aperture. There's an indicator inside the viewfinder which basically goes up or down, and I turn the aperture ring or the shutter ring until that light goes out. ISO dial here, exposure compensation here, self timer, indicator light, lens release, Nikon dedicated hot shoe. If I open the camera up, see the contacts for the DX coding, which so they automatically reads the film. I've got a vertically running metal blade shutter. I've got an easy load system for films, and I've got contacts here for an optional data back. When there's a film in it and the film is loading properly, then this little window vibrates. Although it has auto wind, it doesn't have auto rewind. So I press this button, slide this across, release the clutch, and then I'm cranking the film back like anything from the dim and distant past. So, massively overlooked camera. It's regarded by some people to be a poor person's F3. I'm not sure that it stands up for that. It's still an entry-level 35mm single lens reflex camera, not to be confused with the F4 or the F401 or the F601, which are completely different beasts. But this is quite a nice, very, very inexpensive Nikon. You've got Nikon photography for maybe 30 or 40 pounds. Brilliant. Nikon F mount takes the same lenses as all the other Nikons up to the 21st century, and that will give you an introduction to a massive range of lenses. It's just a very, very nice machine. I like it. Might even keep it.